Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a tool that I've been using for a while now, and honestly, it's been a huge help for managing my online business. It's called System.io, and if you're running an online business or thinking about starting one, this might just be the all-in-one solution that you've been looking for. System.io is designed to handle everything from email marketing and sales funnels to setting up your website and even managing your affiliates. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to use it, even if you haven't used a CRM system before. And if at any point you decide to check out System.io, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that you wouldn't find directly on their website. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so why would you even need a tool like System.io? Well, if you've ever tried running an online business, you know that it's not just about having a great product or service. There's so much more that goes into it, like building a website, creating sales funnels, managing email marketing, and keeping track of customers and affiliates. It can get overwhelming pretty quickly, especially if you're trying to do it all with different software or platforms that don't integrate well with one another. That's where a platform like System.io comes in. It has everything you need to manage and grow your business in one place, making it so much easier to stay organized and focused. Whether you're just starting out or if you're looking to grow your business, having everything in one place can save you a ton of time and headaches. Plus, it's not just about convenience, it's also about being more efficient, which at the end of the day helps you make more money. And so System.io could be just what you need to make things so much easier and help you grow your business. Now, System.io was started in 2017 and is an all-in-one business management platform designed to help you create and manage everything from sales funnels to email marketing, online courses, and even affiliate programs. Now, what makes System.io stand out is its user-friendly approach, making it easier to manage your online business. Whether you're building a website, creating digital products, or managing your customer relationships, System.io has you covered. Plus, it's accessible from any device, so you can run your business from anywhere at any time. Okay, so let's get into how System.io actually works. It's designed to cover pretty much everything you need to run an online business. First up, you can use System.io to build your website or blog. It comes with a drag and drop builder, so you don't need any coding skills to get started. You just pick the elements you want, like text, images, and buttons, and arrange them however you like. Next, you've got the sales funnels. This is a huge part of what makes System.io so powerful. You can create complete sales funnels with multiple steps, guiding your visitors from the first time they land on your page all the way through to making a purchase. And with features like A/B testing, you can see which funnel steps work best, so you're always optimizing for better results. Another big feature is email marketing. You can set up automated email campaigns to follow up with your leads, send newsletters, or promote your products. The email editor is simple to use, and you can track how your emails are performing to see what's working and what's not. Plus, it also has a built-in affiliate management system. This lets you create and manage an affiliate program for your products, so you can get others to promote your business and bring in more sales without any extra effort on your part. That said, in terms of their plans and pricing, System.io offers a range of plans designed to fit different business needs. And the best part is that they have a free plan that's actually packed with useful features. And you don't need to enter any credit card details in order to start using the free version, which is perfect if you're just getting started or want to test out the platform before committing to a paid plan. With the free plan, you get essential tools like email marketing, sales funnels, and even the ability to create and manage a blog. You can also create up to 3 sales funnels with 15 funnel steps, which is more than enough if you're just starting out. Plus, you get unlimited email sends, and you can manage up to 2,000 contacts, which is pretty generous for a free plan. But if you're looking for more advanced features, you might want to consider upgrading to one of their paid plans. These start at $27 per month for the startup plan, which includes everything in the free plan plus some extras. For example, you can create up to 10 sales funnels with 50 funnel steps and manage up to 5,000 contacts. This plan also gives you access to automation rules, workflows, and even the ability to run your own affiliate program. And if your business is growing or you need more flexibility, the webinar plan, which is priced at $47 per month, might be the right fit. This plan adds even more value with up to 50 sales funnels, 10,000 contacts, and the ability to run evergreen webinars, which are perfect for scaling your business and reaching a bigger audience. Now, for those who want the ultimate package, the unlimited plan costs $97 per month and offers everything you could possibly need. You get unlimited sales funnels, contacts, and webinars, as well as free migration from other platforms and a one-on-one Kickstart coaching session to help you get the most out of System.io. Besides that, all these plans include unlimited file storage, the option to create and manage courses, and access to all integrations like PayPal, Stripe, and more. So whether you're running a small startup or a larger enterprise, there's a plan that can fit your needs without breaking the bank. And just to reiterate, if you do decide to check out System.io, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that you wouldn't find directly on their website. Now, System.io has been getting a lot of positive feedback, especially when it comes to ease of use and comprehensive features. On Trustpilot, for example, the platform has 4.9 out of 5 stars from thousands of reviews. Users like how everything is integrated into one system, which saves them from housing multiple tools that might not work well together. Also, people really like how user-friendly System.io is. Even if you're not a tech expert, the platform is designed in a way that makes it easy to use and set up your online business without feeling overwhelmed. Users have also mentioned that the learning curve is minimal, which is great if you want to get your business up and running quickly. Another big plus is the affordability, and a lot of users appreciate that they can access so many features even on the free plan, especially for small businesses or those just starting out. This is a huge advantage because it allows you to grow at your own pace without committing to a high monthly fee right off the bat. And of course, no platform is perfect, and so some users have pointed out that there are a few missing features that they'd like to see, especially when it comes to customization options. Others have mentioned that the translation quality for non-English languages could be improved, but these drawbacks seem to be pretty small compared to the overall positive experience that most users have had. So overall, the feedback for System.io is overwhelmingly positive, making it a great option. So wrapping up this review, is System.io the right tool for you? Well, that really depends on what you need for your business. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform that's easy to use and covers all the basics of running an online business, then System.io is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for beginners who want to get everything set up without using multiple tools. Plus, the affordability makes it a great choice if you're just starting out and need to stick to a budget. Overall, the platform offers a range of features that can help most small to medium-sized businesses grow and succeed. And if you're still not sure, remember that System.io offers a free plan that lets you try out most of its features. So it's a great way to see if the platform fits your needs before making any decisions. Anyway, so that's all for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide to check out System.io, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount that you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.